The Missionsstrasse House in Basel, Switzerland, is a converted carriage house built around 1880. Originally constructed as part of a villa complex near the Spallentor, it was separated by a thick quarry stone wall into two distinct zones, a utility section with stables, a carriage room, and a hayloft, and a modest residential wing for the servants. When the villa was demolished at the beginning of the 20th century to make way for a new peripheral building, the carriage house remained and served different functions over time, including use as an atelier. Despite these changes, its original typology was largely preserved. In recent years, Buchner Bründler Architekten transformed the historic structure into a contemporary family residence. The greatest challenge lay in the limited access to natural light, as the building directly adjoins neighboring firewalls on the southeast and southwest sides. To solve this, the architects cut a two-story circular opening into the dividing wall, uniting the formerly separated parts of the house. Two diagonally recessed atriums were added in the rear corners, each topped with triangular skylights, bringing zenithal light deep into the garden level. New roof windows and differently shaped openings in the concrete structure further distribute daylight throughout the interiors. The renovation introduced a house-within-a-house system. A reinforced in-situ concrete structure overlays the original framework, creating long spans and stabilizing the building like a colossal table with massive supports. This hybrid construction allows for open, fluid spaces with unexpected perspectives and sightlines. Inside, the material palette combines exposed concrete in varying tones, smoothly plastered surfaces, slurried natural stone walls, and warm elements of oak and fir. The exterior retains its historic cement stone façade, while new solid oak-framed windows subtly mark the building's renewed purpose. A double sliding door opens the side façade toward the garden, and the roof is once again covered with slate. The result is a striking blend of preservation and radical intervention. A 19th-century carriage house reimagined as a minimalist, light-filled family residence.